So I made my mind up. I knew exactly what I wanted to get. So after spending days, if not weeks, scouring the internet, trying to find the right one, and even viewing 3 already, let's go and see if this one will be any better.
Right, so let's head over to Sheffield and go and see if this one's any good. It matches the spec I want, so I'm hoping it is what we want. Let's take the ttrs Roadster. Oh, let's definitely take the diagnostics. Definitely won't be buying any cars without checking to see if it's got any hidden faults, and also I want to check the chain stretch. I can't even see it. I think it might be indoors. Let's go and see if we can do some filming.
So I did go and take it out for a drive, and to be fair, it drove alright, but there was a few bodywork issues, and when I plugged in my diagnostics to check for chain stretch, it was out of tolerance, and it was something that would need doing, and I didn't want to spend £17,500 on a car to then have to go and do the chains as well. It just wouldn't be worth it. Sales guy was really nice and very understanding. It did have 4 different top makes of tyres on it, which was also a little bit concerning, so I left that one. But then while I was driving back, I had a fault, and it was about the first one I ever looked at, and I remembered that had the chains done in the last few years, so I knew it's something I wouldn't have to worry about. So I contacted that guy up again to see if I could have a second look, and this is what happened.
It's finally happened. I picked this up a couple of days ago, so I want to share it with you. What has happened, you probably already know by that sound clip, because you should know what that sound is. Yes, that is right. I have now bought a ttrs. Absolutely buzzing I got in this car. I looked at 4 of these, and I went back to the first one that I looked at because it was the best, but I need to see for myself, see if there was something better, but this one was definitely the best out of the lot. So I wanted one with the wing backs, folding mirrors, and obviously in the DSG. I didn't want mag ride because that's something else to go wrong. It doesn't have Bose, but I'm sure we can sort something out to do something better. I think it's, I don't know, it's Alpine or something. Do like a TT400 kit or something. It's supposed to be like the Bose, if not better, which you can retrofit. So maybe something like that might happen. It did come with the Pioneer unit, same one I've got in the TTS, which I do like. I've moved my mount over already. Believe it or not, I've literally already done 500 miles in this since I got it, because I had to go down south to do something yesterday. I'm actually filming this on Sunday, so if you're watching this now, I've probably filmed most of this morning.
So this is how I got the car, with this front splitter and these side skirts on. It literally like it just comes straight out of AliExpress. So for me, it wasn't really going to cut it. So they were coming off. And inside, it got even worse. Oh yes, the old rainbow lights, they were getting ripped out. No thank you. So literally the morning after buying the car, that all got removed. The lights are out, the skirts are off, and the front splitter was gone. I think some things work with cars and some things don't, but I think for a car like this, some things are best left alone.
It has the 19-inch wheels, the wheels that I wanted. I wasn't too fussed about what colour I went for, but this is the Daytona grey, and do you know something? I'm quite pleased with it. Discs have got loads and loads of meat on them, and if you know, they are very expensive to replace, so that's something we don't have to worry about. It is on some budget tyres, some P609s Rapids. On the fence about those. I'll probably go for some Eagle F1 Super Sports or PS4Ss or something like that. I've already put them in my basket, but these are quite new, so I don't know whether to tear these up first quickly and then change them over. I'm not sure whether just to do it and just get the better tyres. There's a little mark on the wheel there, and there, and there. So the wheels are quite presentable, but could do the refurb. It's something I do want to do, so we will be getting that done. And there is this like weird scratching thing in the bonnet here, which I would like to get done as well, because I want to get this pretty much up to showroom condition, because this is a cracking car and I don't think I'm going to get rid of it, to be honest with you. I've already bought some bits, so I've got some bits in the workshop ready. Obviously just the normal service stuff. I'll give it a nice full service, do the DSG service on this. It's a DQ500 box, so it is different to the ones we've done before. So I'm just going to do videos on every separate thing, so like be more detailed, instead of like with the TTS I just smashed out a load of things and just done like a quick sort of, just a quick video overall about everything. But with this I'm going to do things specifically, so like we're doing engine oil and filter change, do a video on that, because for the people that have got the 5-pot, I might want to know. I didn't realise how much oil it takes, so I've actually bought 10 litres of oil. Yeah, with the box we're going to do the Haydex. I believe this is the Gen 4 as well, so that's going to be the same as the TTS one, but obviously the previous guy had done it himself, but he didn't pull the pump off and clean that other filter and replace those O-rings, so we will be doing that. And as I said, I'll be doing things in more detail. Front and rear diff oils will change that as well. But yeah, here's the engine. There she is. All nice and stock, apart from that. But I have bought a brand new original one coming, so this one will be up for sale if someone wants it. If it was a plus model, it would have had that and it would have had that, so that will be up for sale if someone wants that. I'm not too fussed about it. I want it to all look pretty much OME plus. I just want to go for like the stock sort of look. Any recommendations for the spark plugs, please let me know. I have looked around, but I'm not paying over £200 for a set of spark plugs. This is only ever going to go probably a stage 1, I reckon. As you heard, the exhaust is a little bit fruity. A few things may have gone missing, but yeah, it sounds wicked, the exhaust, and the valve is constantly open. But yeah, that sounds absolute nuts. So I just wanted to introduce the car to the channel, really. I've taken the plate off the TTS because it says R5FNY, so it looks like RS. So that's been removed off TTS. That's now on its standard plate. So I can put that on this one, which means I then got to sell this private plate. But yeah, all happening, absolutely buzzing. So stay tuned, subscribe, and watch the journey of this car when we get a lot of bits done. Oh, some horses going past. But yeah, absolutely buzzing. There's not one dent on this car. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.